Are you an immigrant struggling with your finances in the United States? You're not alone. The financial challenges immigrants face are unique and can be overwhelming. However, with some practical advice, it's possible to navigate the US financial system and build a solid financial foundation. Today, we're going to talk about 5 financial tips that every immigrant can follow to better navigate the US financial system and build a solid financial foundation. Credit is an essential part of your financial life in the United States, and it can impact your ability to achieve your financial goals in this country. With credit, you can borrow money to purchase big-ticket items like a car or a house. Your credit score is thus essential to your financial health, and it takes time to build. To build your credit, start by applying for a secured credit card, which requires a small security deposit of around $200 to open. For this, I recommend the Discover It secured credit card. No credit score is required to apply for the card, and it carries no annual fee. Additionally, the card earns you 2% cash back at gas stations and at restaurants, and 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. Lastly, Discover automatically matches all the cash back you have earned at the end of the first year, and there's no limit to how much they will match. You'll also get a free FICO credit score every month on your statement or online. As you use the credit card and make payments on time, you'll start to build a positive credit history in the United States. You can also become an authorized user on someone else's account, such as a spouse or a family member. Make sure you pay your bills on time and keep your credit utilization low. By building your credit, you'll have access to credit and better interest rates on loans and credit cards. Check out my previous videos for more information on credit and credit cards. The US tax system can be complicated, but it's essential to understand how it works and your obligations as a taxpayer. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate the system. First, learn about your tax status. As an immigrant, your tax status will depend upon your residency status. You may be considered a resident alien or a non-resident alien for tax purposes. Understanding your tax status is important because it determines which tax forms you need to file and what deductions and credits you are eligible for. Secondly, keep accurate records. It's important to keep track of all your income and expenses throughout the year, including any deductions or credits you may be eligible for. This will help you file an accurate tax return and avoid penalties or fines for underreporting your income. Third, consider hiring a tax professional. If you're new to the United States tax system or have a complicated tax situation, it may be helpful to hire a tax professional to help you file your taxes. They can help you understand your tax obligations and maximize your deductions and credits. Fourth, file your taxes on time. The US tax system has strict deadlines for filing tax returns and paying taxes owed. It's important to file your taxes on time to avoid penalties and interest charges. Fifth, take advantage of tax credits and deductions. As an immigrant in the United States, you may be eligible for certain tax credits and deductions, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or the Child Tax Credit. These credits can help you lower your tax bill and put more money in your pocket. Remember, the US tax system can be complicated, but with some effort and understanding, you can navigate it successfully. Stay informed, keep accurate records, and take advantage of all the tax benefits available to you. Housing can be expensive in the United States, but there are ways to find affordable options. Consider living with roommates or in a more affordable area. You can also look into programs that offer assistance with housing costs, such as the Housing Choice Voucher Program or the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program. By finding affordable housing, you'll have more money to put towards your other financial goals. Creating a budget is essential to managing your finances. Keep track of your income and expenses and make sure you're spending less than you earn. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as cooking at home instead of eating out, finding free entertainment options, and using public transportation instead of owning a car. Consider also using a budgeting app or a spreadsheet to help you stay on track. You can also try the envelope system, where you allocate cash to different categories of expenses, such as groceries or entertainment, to help you stay within your budget. Investing is a great way to build wealth over time. Consider opening an investment account and start small. Look for low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, commonly referred to as ETFs, to get started. As you become more and more comfortable with investing, you can start to diversify your portfolio and look for higher-yielding investments. Investing can be intimidating, but with some research and guidance, it can be a valuable tool for building long-term wealth. In addition to these tips, there are other financial challenges that immigrants might face. For example, sending money to family members in another country can be costly. Look for low-cost options such as remittance services or online money transfer services that are not only reputable but come highly recommended. You should also be aware of scams that target immigrants, such as fake debt collectors or immigration scams. Always be cautious and do your research before giving out personal or financial information. Remember, building a solid foundation takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these tips and staying informed about your finances, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you want in the United States. Stay tuned for more additional information on this and other topics, and feel free to check out my other videos for additional guidance on any of the points we addressed today. Thank you, and see you next time.